Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find Chrome Downloads folder on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, and don't forget to write comments at the end of the video. And let's get into this topic. And I'm going to open up the Chrome app right now. Here I already have a site open from which I saved myself or downloaded a song to my phone. In your case, it can be some songs, videos, some documents, images, and so on. When you download something from some site in Chrome, you'll get this little window at the bottom that shows you that the file has been downloaded. And you can open it by clicking here. And then scroll down a little bit and click on Open and Downloads. That way, you'll be immediately taken to the page where your download is located on your phone. And if you've ever downloaded any media files or documents or anything to your phone from Chrome before, and you can't click on Open and Downloads at the moment, then you'll need to find the Files app on your phone. If you don't see it on your desktop screen, then swipe down from the top. You'll get a search box like this, where you just type in the word Files and you'll get this app. Open it up, and here you can click on Browse and choose where your media files or documents can be saved, either on iCloud or on your iPhone. And here you can browse through the folders where you saved your downloads. Friends, this is how you can find the Chrome folder on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments, and see you soon. Thanks for your attention.